Galaxy S24 FE outsmarts the S25 Ultra with a hidden display trick. Your eyes will thank you. Samsung just dropped a surprise with the Galaxy S24 FE, and it's not what you'd expect. While everyone's looking at the flashy Galaxy S25 Ultra, the S24 FE quietly packs the most eye-friendly display Samsung's ever made. Tech expert Nicholas Sutrich from Android Central discovered a hidden gem in the S24 FE, a special high brightness mode, HBM, that's unlike anything on other Samsung phones, even the top-tier S25 Ultra. So what's the big deal? When HBM kicks in, usually under bright light like direct sunlight, the S24 FE uses a trick called DC-like dimming instead of the usual PWM flicker. Most phones, including Samsung flagships, use PWM, pulse width modulation, which rapidly flickers pixels to control brightness. It works, but it can be hard on the eyes, especially during long use. The S24 FE, however, flips the script. In bright conditions, it switches to a dimming method that adjusts voltage instead of flickering the screen. That means a smoother, more comfortable viewing experience, and no annoying flicker. Testing even showed the S24 FE gets twice as bright as Samsung's usual 100% brightness. Level in this mode, all while staying easier on the eyes. That's a serious win for people who spend hours on their phones, especially outdoors. In short, Samsung's budget-friendly S24 FE just pulled off something its flagship sibling didn't: a smarter, healthier screen. Now imagine if Samsung let users choose between PWM and DC dimming on all their phones. That would be a true game changer.